Still raining outside. Yeah, it's like real raining outside real bad. But anyways, besides that, anyways, welcome to another video, and today, the walking, number one video, it is the highest viewed, video on my channel. I think it has like maybe 20 views, I'm not sure. But yeah, and he's just like standing there. Like, just like, what's wrong with you? But yeah, I cleaned this off a little bit, so it's not as dirty as it was. I don't even think you saw it when it was dirty. It's like walking. What's your problem, funny cat? Just fell down. I don't know what he's doing. Get off, get off, get off. You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it. He just kicked this at me. He just kicked this at me. Oh my goodness gracious, you're a weird cat. What's your problem? Huh? What's your problem? Yeah, guys, this is really weird. He's still right here. But yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but and these styluses that I made in the life hack video, they really do work. Go check them out if you haven't seen that video already. And yeah, basically what I want you to do for today is just go check these out, and they're really cool to make. So my eyes are hurting, and I might be starting some giveaways soon. I'm not really sure what I can give away. Like, I have to go to the store and buy some stuff. I might be able to like give away this ball, but I'm not, because it's not mine, it's my brother's. Right. Someone to me. Oh my god, it's just really cold in here. Maybe every other 2 weeks I'll start making all my videos right here. I can still skip this part. But yes, and I really have no clue on it. Why are you still there? Still there, but I will start getting better quality cameras. Like, I have this vlog camera that I used to use for my other channel. It is not, if you go on my page, it will not be right there. If you go to channels, it will not be in there. It's just called Cool Space Boy 123, I think. I haven't made a video on that in like maybe a month. I posted a try not to laugh video on that channel. It's a Samsung phone, so it has a lot better quality than this phone. But and then I have a tablet that I post a couple videos on. It's called J Space Camden, lowercase j, lowercase everything. So you can go check those channels out. They'll probably be in the link in the description below. I'm not sure if they will, but if they are, guys can go check them out. And so yeah, I'll probably put my Instagram down in the description below. Too, if it is there, then you guys can go follow me on Instagram. I only have 3 followers, so I'm not that popular at all. And I might follow you. I don't know. It just depends because all my followers are my family, and all of the people that I'm following is my family. So okay, and so I don't really know if I will be following you guys. I'm not really sure, but I might. So yeah, just be aware of that. And I'll probably make another video today. But I won't go outside because it's like raining. So oh my gosh, this cat's crazy. That's the name of this video, Crazy Cat. Just like threw this on the ground. I don't even know what this. Oh, some bungee thing. So profane. Give me a tail. Give me your tail. If you hear that back there, that's my little brothers, stepbrothers. They're just like going crazy. They're playing Grand Theft Auto. Probably in the strip club by now. I don't know. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. I didn't really do much today, but I don't know what else to do for you guys. I was just giving you a heads up on to check out my channels, my other channels, and my Instagram. Finally, he leaves, but yeah. And shout out to Mountain Dew. It's my favorite drink. Comment down below what your favorite drink is. One of my brothers, my little brother, not Butter, my little brother, Brendan, his favorite is Diet Coke, I think. And Tyler, his is Dr. Pepper, and mine's Mountain Dew. So, yeah. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.